Hi there, I'm Isabelle, welcome to a new sewing tutorial. Today we're making this bodycon mini dress. The interesting part is the top part, as it's got raglan, long sleeves and a wide and low neckline, which is not that low, it's pretty reasonable actually. It shouldn't even show the beginning of your boobs, unless maybe you're wearing some push-up bra. But the neckline still highlights this chest, collarbone and shoulder area, and it should beautifully frame one or several necklaces should you choose to wear any. Also, the raglan sleeves enable you to pull the shoulders down without it looking weird. I'm using here a heavy 100% cotton ribbed fabric, and since it doesn't have any elastan in it, it's not hugging my body, maybe as you can see on the screen. However, if you use a knit fabric with elastan, then it should really hug your curves, as you can see with this white version that I did as a crop top. Alright, let's begin this very easy sewing project. Let me show you quickly the pieces of the pattern cut. The front is here, the back, and the sleeves. So the first thing I'll do is sew the sleeves to the front part. You're going to see on the pattern that the front and the back notches are different, so you shouldn't get confused. I'm pinning my sleeves right sides together, and then I pin the sleeves to the back and I sew. I'm using a straight stitch here because my fabric is so elastic that even if I stretch it when I'm putting it on, I'll never pull it so much that the seams will snap. This is what you get, and I'm not showing you, but I finished the edges with my overlocker. The second step consists in closing the sleeves and the sides of the dress in one big seam. I'm using a straight stitch again since my fabric isn't stretchy vertically, and this is what the dress looks like after this step. I'm going to be finishing the edges. If you don't have an overlocker, I recommend you finish the edges with a zigzag or an overlock stitch on your regular sewing machine, or else the seam allowances might open and curl up, which might create bumps on the sides of the dress when wearing it. The last step is about making all the hems of the dress, which are all going to be simple one-fold hems. I basted my seam allowances. I fold my bottom hem here, I pin, and I'll sew using my twin needle, but you can use the zigzag or the straight stitch if you prefer. After the bottom hem, I move on to the wrist hems and the neckline hem as well. And that's it, the dress is done. If you make it, don't forget to use the hashtag Theta DIY dress, or maybe if you're an English speaker, I don't know, Theta DIY dress. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you for a new sewing tutorial very soon. Take care. Kiss.